What can happen if you started to invest $100 per month into the S&P 500? According to officialdata.org, since 1926, the average annual total return for the S&P 500 has been about 10% per year. But let's say that you started investing $100 per month starting from today. How much money can you actually make from this investing strategy, assuming the 10% return per year? On year 1, your total investments are $1,200. Ending investment balance is $1,264. You made a total of $64 the first year. Not really something to brag about, but what happens on year 10? Year 10, your total investments are $12,000. Ending investment balance is $20,145. On year 20, your total investments are $24,000. Ending investment balance is $72,398. Now you can see that the compound interest is really starting to take off. On year 30, your total investments are now $36,000. Ending investment balance is $207,929. If you manage to wait another 10 years after that, then on year 40, your total investments are $48,000. Ending investment balance is $559,460. This is of course nothing that I can guarantee, but historically speaking, then 10% per year over a long period of time is quite realistic on the S&P 500. If you are interested to know what can happen if you instead invested $1,000 per month into the S&P 500, then check out the video that I have linked in my description. Thank you for watching and have a great day.